Nick.
And I'm Matt.
And that's Matt. It's just northern, it's retro.
Yeah, started off as a vehicle club. We're into us old school stuff. Doesn't matter what.
So cars or bikes?
No,
everything.
Everything. Clothes, music, furniture.
Fantastic.
If it's retro, we own it. We set a benchmark, can't we? A year 2000.
Yeah.
2000.
Yeah, so 1900s basically.
Yeah, 900. Yeah.
You know,
Or out before.
it's a
just
convenient cut-off point that you can say, you know, 2000. That's it.
September 2nd this year.
Yep.
We can expect everything.
Yep.
We've got food, drink, we've got a bar, we've got different sort of like street food, haven't we?
Yeah.
Retro market, selling bits of old, whatever you want, retro stuff.
Stutter and Twitch records from Manchester are coming over.
Funky
They'll be
like,
playing all day.
yeah, funky vinyl sort of stuff. All day through there.
Trade stands.
It's family friendly, there's
Yeah.
bouncy castles, there's face painting, stuff for kids to do. Bring your wife, your granddad, your auntie, bring everybody. Everybody's welcome, everybody. And up for thousands of people. We do a bit for, we've got two charities who we support.
Yeah.
Macmillan and a local one which is the Forget Me Not Children's Hospice. And we do what we can for them as well.
We've got on our Shopify shop. All the links are on our Facebook page and on the
We'll also tag
northernretro.com
them, yeah.
directly, the Northern Way.